A very weird thing I felt when I first saw him, I felt that I knew him. He's very impatient at times, and it really pisses me off. Randeep is the first one to say sorry. He's the first one to say कि ठीक है, कल से नहीं होगा या आज से नहीं होगा कि अभी से नहीं होगा. ना acting में support किया, ना modeling में support किया. They only understood when I became little popular and when I started making money. पूरा बैंड बज रहा था, सब कुछ हो रहा था, and I walked in and सब silence हो गया. I had to wear what was given to me. Everything goes by tup, and you're done. It was so beautiful when my mom fed me and my father fed me, because that's supposed to be your last meal before you get married. Hi Hotterfly, welcome to my wedding story.
If you could explain your wedding story in one sentence, what would that be?
Beautiful marriage of two cultures. Randeep and I met in 2011. I had just come back from New York. I was still modeling there, and I wanted to learn acting. So I went to Nasiruddin Shah sir's production house. That's where I met him. So one day he helped me with, casting directors, what I should be doing. So that was the first conversation. And I felt very genuine as a person about this guy who helped me immediately without even asking, what can you do for me? So वो बड़ा अच्छा लगा. A very weird thing I felt when I first saw him, I felt that I knew him. I felt very comfortable around him. Something about him made me feel comfortable. So we were also kind of confused. What is this? So we were trying to figure out the relationship. But during the COVID time, we started actually living together. I was not used to living with somebody. He was also not used to living. So बहुत सारा adjustment हुआ. Both of us felt so easy during the COVID. I didn't always saying कि अरे ये तो अच्छा है. But we found our peace and home in each other during that time. ये moment कभी नहीं आया कि हमारे लिए like this is the forever love or like this is everlasting love. वो feeling कभी नहीं आया मुझे. I think when we met, we were already very matured. So वो maturity आ गई थी. वो जो पहला प्यार वो सब नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ. उसके साथ भी मुझे लगता है नहीं हुआ. But it grows into you. Like when you find, I think, the right partner or whatever you call it, like तो वो आपके अंदर it starts growing and you start feeling that you want to spend the rest of your life with this person. We were still not thinking of marriage. I wanted to get married, but I was not sure, is this the right person? Because when you get married late, बहुत कुछ आ जाता है आपके दिमाग में, like expectations, ये वो, and my parents they would keep saying कि मणिपुरी लड़का से शादी करो, या like Randeep's parents would say कि हाँ जाट से ही शादी कर. Randeep was also like a very well known person, so वो सब I took a lot of time to think also, because I was not sure that am I capable of exposing your life to media, and like I was not sure. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा time लगा to understand कि कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे. But ultimately I found my space, which Randeep really helped, is making me feel comfortable in whoever I was. अगर मुझे कुछ करना है तो कर तू जाके, मैं हूँ. That was a तसल्ली जो देती ना किसी को, वो तसल्ली था मेरे पास. And I think for somebody to feel that was very important, because I never felt supported by my parents or my family about what I chose in life. ना acting में support किया, ना modeling में support किया. They only understood when I became little popular and when I started making money. They felt it was a hobby. उसके बाद to find a partner who would completely understand my struggle, my achievement, my joy, my sadness, that was something very refreshing, and that made me feel very certain and home. And that was the time that I felt कि मिल गया लड़का. I must have said I love you first because I mean I fell in love. So हमारा proposal ही नहीं हुआ. We just decided that कि चलो शादी करना है. But proposal like ring exchange ceremony or like those videos, beautiful proposal videos, it never happened.
Coming and marrying in Manipur, it's a bit of a fairy tale.
Randeep was very keen on having a Manipuri wedding. He always says this कि लड़की के घर में शादी होती है. When he chose to get married in a traditional way, I think he was very curious and intrigued by my culture. When we went to get married, I took him to a horse god. Like we worship this god called Ibudau Marjing. So that's a horse god, and the excitement and the whole thing to see on his face was amazing. You know, I felt like I brought a child to Manipur, and his mouth was wide open, and he's like absorbing everything, and I'm telling him this, do that, and he did everything. And when we told Randeep's parents also, they were also quite excited. They wanted to learn all the extra things, the cultural things that, you know, that brings us together. And they were asking me questions, and I told them they have to wear our traditional dress. You have to, you know, put chandan tilak on, you know, on their nose and forehead and everything. They wore whites, because in our wedding, the official families, they wear whites, except for the bride. So for them, they're like, अरे white तो हम नहीं पहनते क्योंकि हमारा तो मतलब you know, colorful होते wedding में. But I told them that this is our ritual और आपको white ही पहनना पड़ेगा. So they were very kind enough to adjust a lot of things that our culture had. And it was exciting to see how they embraced the whole thing so smoothly without making any fuss. The way he just went on with every ritual, every cultural practices, he did it so beautifully, and everybody started saying that he's a perfect Maitai groom. I don't think I proved to be a good bride at all, because Manipuri brides are supposed to be, you know, not smiling at all. Like they're not supposed to look here and there and, like, you know, move a lot. But mere se nahi raha gaya. Usually I'm a still very calm person, but that day pata nahi kya ho gaya mujhe. मैं इधर से उधर हिल रही हूँ, मैं देख रही हूँ रणदीप को, and मैं हंस रही हूँ. And रणदीप सीधा एकदम सीधा ऐसे करके बैठा है और मैं हंस रही हूँ उसको देख के. So my father sent a person in the mandap only. He said कि इसको कम हंसने के. Don't laugh so much. You look so excited to get married. I was not smiling because मैं खुश थी. I was smiling at Randeep because he was looking so मतलब proper and all of that. And he's not looking at me at all, because he thinks कि अगर वो मुझे देखेगा तो हंसेगा. So I was not the ideal Manipuri bride. Our traditional Manipuri Maitai wedding has lot of rituals. It's subah se sham tak pura ritual hai. Usually the Maitai bride, what they do is they wake up in the morning on the day of their wedding, go pluck the jasmine flower, which is a very particular flower, and makes a garland. So the garland that we exchange in our wedding is made by me, and like all the Manipuri brides have to make that garland in the morning of the day of the wedding. Then a cousin or a younger boy from our family will go to the groom's family and like an official invitation. So we give them pan ke patte mein supari, and, like, you know, very nicely he's invited by the youngest family member. We have a what do you call, bachelorette sort of a thing. And हमारे में नहीं हुआ ये क्योंकि I reached one day before my wedding. What I did was arranged a full Manipuri dinner. So we had a very intimate dinner with like 50 people of only friends and families who were very close to us. Right before I get ready, we have a last meal where your parents feed you. So that was very, very emotional for me, and these are very emotional rituals, like, things that we practice. And it was so beautiful when my mom fed me and my father fed me, because that's supposed to be your last meal before you get married. To feel that कि आपका इस घर में as a daughter, because after that you're gone, you know. And it's very heartbreaking. Also, like, you know, it's nice, but at the same time it was very, you know, very emotional when my parents, they said, you know, I hope you stay well in your house and, you know, in your new home and all of that. So thoda emotional ho jata hai, and whatever they say at that moment become intensified and up or be like, you know. And I was trying to suppress all the emotions and all the things that, like, you know, and I didn't want to show them that, you know, because they would also like really start crying and all of that. But I think that was the tastiest meal. So yeah, and then after that, you get straight into getting ready, where you wear, like, you know, the whole makeup, hair. It takes a lot of time. The potloi that I wore takes months to create, because it's all like the hardness of it comes from the starch that you put in. They put in layers and layers of starch, then the hand embroidered, then there are patterns that you have to follow, and everything is assembled on the day of the wedding. Like, you know, you have to attach one by one by one. Even the person who makes me wear the potloi and dresses me up, they're trained people to do this job only, not you know, any random person cannot make you wear, because it's very, very intricate and very, very difficult to just wear them. It's like straight. So वो shape जो है वो आप पहनते पहनते बनाते हो, and the blouse and everything gets stitched while you wear, and also the jewelry, they stitch up the jewelry so that अगर जब आप माला पहने के time नीचे ना गिरे, then the earrings, everything is stitched up. The bride and the groom has to look perfect. There can't be any misalignment. We're very aesthetically, we're very, very conscious. The bride has to wear a certain पोशाक. हर मणिपुरी bride वही पहनते हैं, चाहे आप कोई भी क्लास से आए, कोई भी स्टेटस से आए, वही, like, you know, every bride dresses up like that. So उसमें कोई चॉइस ही नहीं था मेरे पास कि मैं ये पहनूंगी या मैं ब्लू पहनूंगी या पर्पल पहनूंगी. I had to wear what I was given to me. And also for Randeep, there's not much option. The groom will wear white and the girl will wear red, and the combination of green, and, you know, the blouse was green, I think. Then the headgear and all of that. So choice hi nahi tha. So there's no theme as such. When I was walking towards the mandap, I felt very nervous. There were like 10,000 million butterfly in my stomach. I didn't know how I was looking, because mirror ही नहीं दिखाया मुझे. As per what he says, पूरा band बज रहा था, सब कुछ हो रहा था, and I walked in and सब silence हो गया, and everybody turned towards me supposedly, and he said कि like, you know, you were looking like a goddess or something, he said. And when I reached the mandap and I saw Randeep, and very nicely he's sitting and following all the rituals, I felt very calm. ऐसे कि भाई तू ही नहीं शादी करी, ये भी तो है, इसको भी तो नर्वस होना चाहिए. I felt good looking at him sitting there quietly and doing everything. मुझे लगा कि हाँ चलो, थोड़ा सा I felt a little calm when I saw him, and, you know, accepting and doing everything that was meant to do.
So, Lynn, now we're going to play a fun game where you tell us something that we don't know about you both. Who's a better cook between you two?
Obviously me. Randeep has no idea where the kitchen is. He just knows where his chocolate is and ice cream.
Who's more likely to forget important dates?
It's a competition between me and him. We don't remember any dates.
Who's more likely to cry during a movie?
Me.
Who is more romantic?
Me, obviously.
Who takes more time to get ready?
He takes a lot of time. I don't know what he does, but yeah, definitely him.
Who almost always wins an argument? Who's more competitive?
I think Randeep is very competitive. He has that in his blood.
Who apologizes first?
Randeep.
Who is a morning person?
Me.
Who is more organized?
Me. My sister, she was, I mean, I don't know how to thank her. I don't think this wedding would have happened without her. So I am doing an interview about our wedding called Wedding
Nice.
Story, and they asked me a question that who was that person who was doing everything from charu pocha to looking after me to billing, accounts, everything. And without you, I don't think this wedding would have been possible.
Aw, that's.
Thank you so much for being there for
You
me.
don't have, you don't have to thank me because you were the wedding planner when I got married, remember? 20 years
Oh
ago.
yeah. My first day after the wedding was, phew, ho gaya, sab kaam khatam. I'm finally married and no more tension because itna, like, you know, planning, ye, wo, coordination, finally, like, you know, boj chala gaya and it's done. The occasions like Holi festivals and, like, you know, Diwali and all these, to be together with the family, celebrate with family and friends. So that is one tradition that we have kept and we would like to carry forward because he loves spending time with his friends and family. One advice I would give is everything goes by very quickly, so try to enjoy as much as you can, especially the brides because groom usually don't have much to do, but the brides to be, please enjoy every moment from your costumes to your shopping to, you know, take out time, inhale and just feel everything because everything goes by toop and you're done.
Dean Lystrom and Randeep Hooda as legally wedded husband and wife.
I hope you enjoyed my wedding story. Thank you and goodbye, Hotterfly.